going metro. We're on
I have
this
no
ride
idea.
together, so please don't play loud music. Block the aisles directly.
I don't know. He's just crazy, period.
Park bikes in designated areas. And to help us get you there on time, please don't hold the doors open. The next stop is Expo Bundy Station. Connect here with Big Blue Bus 14 to Inglewood, Playa Vista, and Brentwood downstairs.
I think he pissed himself. Just trying to get to Santa Monica Pier. Trying to ride the train.
Right now, I'm alive.
And have to deal with these crazy people on the train.
I know the real God. I am the real God.
Oh, now he's a god. Okay.
But the real God is no one you guys know. He's the one that talks to people. No one that
I
is
can't help it.
in way outer space.
Wow, now he's talking about outer space. Yeah. So he's a deity and an astronaut.
Quit putting on for work, assholes!
Oh my goodness, boy. So we're getting entertainment on this train here, the Santa Monica Pier.
Fuck you, you're a nigger. Let me out.
Uh-oh, now he's getting prejudice.
Hey, you better shut the fuck up.
Why are you black? I don't give a fuck about you, white boy.
Boy.
Slow down, bro. Do not use that word. I will clock you, motherfucker.
Good, do it. Fuck your Dodgers, they lost. North Cubs, they suck too.
I think he's gonna get off. It's okay, bro. I think he's gonna get off. Yeah, he got off.
If you say that to you, I will knock the fucker out.
I heard that, man. I don't blame you.
I'm sorry if you said that.
That's okay, man. It's not you, brother. It's not you. It's just a crazy guy. We all gotta love each other, man. No matter what.
That's all we can do.
That's all we can do for him, man. Just pray for him.